PSXLink includes CRM that is designed for wholesale parts. CRM is integrated throughout the PSXLink program. Entries can be made by inside or outside sales staff utilizing the desktop CRM features within PSXLink. These features are located in prospects as well as active clients and activity reports. This allows the wholesale sales staff to set forth commitment objectives for each sales call in an effort to move sales forward in conjunction with the dealer preferred sales process. CRM notes and follow ups are also available for entry through the mobile utility using voice recognition. All entries are date timed and stamped by who made the entry and whom it may be assigned to. Each member of the sales staff can have their own follow up report, which is produced every day, which includes follow ups that have not yet been completed. In addition, all activity, whether a note or follow up entered into the system, will appear in the sales manager's CRM activity report. This report includes a listing of each individual salesperson's entries, or if desired, the entire sales team can be included on one report and shared with selected recipients. Typically, this report is automatically emailed to a sales manager and or selected recipients once a week for review.